Hey guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have a new hairstyle, and I wanted to share with you guys. You know, I used to post whenever I had a different hairstyle on here, but pretty much, you know, over the years I bought so much hair, so I just reused, wash them and stuff and put them back in. So yeah, I wanted to share with you guys. I love this so much, and I got a lot of compliments on it on my Instagram page, so I wanted to share with you guys. So yeah, this hair is super long. This is the Sensational Samba twist in 50 inches. This guy right here, and I got it in the 1B. I got 6 packs from Amazon for about $21.99, and the box actually came from Sam's Beauty, so that makes sense. I think they were having like a sale on it or something. So 6 packs, $21.99, that's pretty good. And let me move back a little bit here. So as you can see, I'm 5'10", and the hair is hitting me right here. So this hair is really long. But what you can also do is cut it like in half and maybe like open it up and have like a little twist out thing going on. That's another style that you can do if you think the hair is kind of long. So the hair is really lightweight, but I really like the volume, and it has that natural look. So what I've noticed so far is the hair does get little freezies, like little frizzes here and there, but that's okay because I really was going for that natural look. And if it does that, you know, just keep the extra packs and just put, you know, replace them. Like if it gets out of control where the tangles are so much, you can just pretty much take them, you know, take them out and just replace them. So I'm gonna like kind of stand up here a little bit and show you guys, you know, move back a little bit. So as you can see, it's really long. It's all the way down to like my back right here. So yeah, yeah, I just want to share with you guys really quickly. So I'm really looking forward to kind of styling in different ways here. I usually do the same braid pattern that I've been doing over the years. I mean, I did post one on Instagram of what I do kind of thing. So yeah, you could even mix it up and like put like a 1B30 and stuff like that. So yeah, this once again is the hair right here. So yeah, it has that marley texture, and that's really the look that I was going for. I'm a big fan of Senegalese twists, but more of the chunkier ones. I don't like the ones that are too tiny and stuff like that. But I want to just share with you guys. So yeah, I'll leave all the information down below if you guys want to check out this hair. And if you follow me on my Instagram page, Liz Men Hair, you already saw this hair. But I really like it. I've just been getting like a lot of compliments on it. Yeah, and some people like said, oh, it was like dreads, and I'm like, these are not dreads really, this is Senegalese twist, but more chunky ones. So yeah guys, I really like this, and I want to share with you guys. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.